Good morning class. Today I want to describe about expression of rational number with numerator 36. Question is clear, no confusion about question. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Firstly I want to describe about rational number. A number which we can write in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called rational number. Rational number are two types, terminating rational number and non-terminating but repeating rational number. Rational number are positive or negative. Clear? No confusion. Rational number is clear. You can solve this question very easily. It is very easy for you, but you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. Okay? Clear? No confusion? See the board. Expression of rational number with numerator 36. Question first. Express the following rational number with numerator 36. Question is clear? No confusion? Very good. First question 3 by 7. Second question 4 by 9. Third question 6 by 11. Fourth question 9 by 30. Here 4 questions for you. Clear? You can solve it very easily. It is very easy, not difficult. Clear? See the board. Solution first. 3 by 7. Here question is 3 by 7. Numerator 3, denominator 7. You convert numerator 3 into 36. Clear? You multiply by 12 on both numerator and denominator. You multiply 3 multiply 12 upon 7 multiply 12. Clear? It become 36 and it become 84. Here numerator is 36. It means your solution, your answer is correct. 36 by 84 is with numerator 36. So you find your solution correctly. Clear? You convert 3 by 7 into 36 by 84. Here numerator is 36. So your answer is right. Clear? You find very easily first question. See the board. Second solution 4 by 9. Here numerator is 4 and denominator is 9. You convert 4 into 36. You multiply by 9 on both numerator and denominator. Clear? 4 multiply 9 it become 36. 9 multiply 9 it become 81. 36 by 81 is with numerator 36. Here numerator is 36. It means your answer is right. You convert 4 by 9 into 36 by 81. You find numerator 36. It means you find your solution correctly. Clear? You find very easily second question. See the board. Solution third 6 by 11. Here numerator is 6, denominator is 11. You convert 6 into 36. So you multiply by 6 on both numerator and denominator. Clear? No confusion? 6 multiply 6 it become 36. 11 multiply 6 it become 66. You find 36 by 66. You convert 6 by 11 into 36 by 66. Here numerator is 36. So your answer is right. 36 by 66 is with numerator 36. Clear? Third solution is clear. No confusion. You find very easily third solution. Clear? Solution 4. 9 by 13. Here numerator is 9 and denominator is 13. You convert numerator 9 into 36. You multiply by 6 on both numerator and denominator. 9 multiply 6, it become 36. 13 multiply 6, it become 78. You find 36 by 78 is with numerator 36. Here numerator is 36, it means your answer is right. You convert 9 by 13 into 36 by 78. Clear? Your solution is right. No confusion about your solution. Clear? See the word. Your homework. Express the following rational number with numerator 60. Here numerator is 60 and here numerator is 36. I convert numerator into 36 and you convert into 60. Clear? First 2 by 25, second 3 by 22, third 4 by 23, 4 5 by 24. You can find your solution very easily by the help of this example. You can find your solution very easily. It is very easy. You convert numerator into 60. I convert numerator 36. Clear? No confusion. You can solve it very easily, but you concentrate your mind and solve it full concentration on your copy at your home. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay.